Hi, you've come to a very interesting website because I'm not here to sell you anything. Instead, if you are concerned about this nation, the state of this nation, and the future of this nation, what your children and grandchildren are going to inherit, then pay attention to what I want to say. My name is Eugene Harnett. I live in Alaska, and I've been teaching about the providential purpose of America for the past 30 years. I see how God actually built this country. We are the only nation with the term "in God we trust" on every coin and dollar bill that we spend. That is an amazing thing, and it stands for something. And so if you are anything like that, you're concerned about the future direction of this country, where it's going, then join with me, connect with me. What I want you to do is connect with me, put your name in, and let us share together, because I think we can learn a lot about how God has prepared this country and what our purpose is to do right now, today. So that's what I want you to do. That's what I want you to share with you, and we can make America great again. Finally, as many of you know, Donald Trump said, "Let's make America great again." But he cannot do it by himself. He's limited, and there's a lot of negativity out there towards him. So who is going to do it? You and I are going to do it. You know that. How? That's what I want to explain with you as we go along in this journey. Because I know that the fundamental things that we can do are more important than any politician, any kind of voting regimen, or anything that's out there. You and I, that's what I want to give back to you. That's what I want to share with you in the coming weeks. Now let's go make this a great day.